Well, say it again, please.
Seniorcreativity.com.
And you say it's beautiful now. Doesn't sound, but all right. You see, the beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. But here we have this website, and there are some simple things that it explains. But what we need to do is here we will scroll down, and I want to show you some examples here. Yes, we can do that. We can do that, but it's not important at the moment. I'll show you later how to do it. But what you see here, those are compositions that combine Shakespeare's sonnet, an image, and music. And I want to show you how easily you can create something like that. And here we go. This is an image. Yeah, here is the poem itself, and here is the music. And you hopefully will hear it. You can hear the music, right? No? Because it's only in my computer. But can you hear some of it? I can move the computer close to you and then you'll hear it better.